Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to blur part of your clips. So initially you want to have your clip in your timeline and you want to move your player head to where you want the blur to start. So I want it to start right here, for example. And now we're going to go to our color tab right down here, click on that. And we actually want to go to Window and then choose the shape of our blur. So I want to blur the person. So I'm going to choose the circular one and then manage the shape of the blur like this. Move to center, maybe just a little bit higher, and we're just going to blur out the top of him. And now we want to go to the tracker, click onto the tracker, and then see how the blur actually acts. So we're going to press the play bar. That's good enough. And now we're going to go to the blur effect and we're going to bring the radius up all the way to increase the blur. And now when we go back to edit, we've successfully added a blur to our video. It's the top right screen. And that's how you add a blur. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.